Hey everyone, if you're running a marketing agency, consulting business, or you're an entrepreneur juggling multiple tools, just to keep your business running, I need you to stop what you're doing and pay attention to this video. Because what I'm about to share in this video could literally transform the way you operate your entire business. Today, I'm diving deep into GoHighLevel. And no, this isn't just another software review. This is a platform that replaced over 15 different tools in my business, saved me thousands of dollars every month, and honestly, the reason I can scale without even losing my mind. So grab a coffee, take some notes, and let me show you why GoHighLevel might be the most important business decision you make this year.
Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology.
Let me ask you something. How many different software tools are you currently paying for right now? Let's count them together. So you got CRM, maybe you're using HubSpot or Salesforce. That's probably $100 to $500 a month just right there. Then you need email marketing platforms. You're probably using ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, maybe Constant Contact. There's another $50 to $300 a month. Oh wait, you also need a landing page builder. So you're paying for ClickFunnels or lead pages. That's another $100 to $300. And don't forget scheduling tool. SMS marketing platforms, your reputation management software, your pipeline management system. See where I'm going with this? Most agencies and businesses are spending anywhere from $800 to over $2,000 every single month just on their marketing and sales tech stack. And here's the kicker. None of these tools talk to each other properly. You're constantly exporting CSVs, manually updating information across platforms, and dealing with integration nightmares that breaks at the worst possible times. You're not just losing money on subscriptions, you're losing time, you're losing deals. You're losing your sanity trying to manage this Frankenstein monster of disconnected software. What if I told you there's a better way? GoHighLevel, the AI-powered all-in-one platform that's specifically designed for agencies, consultants, and businesses who are serious about growth. GoHighLevel isn't trying to do one thing really well. It's built from the ground up to replace your entire marketing and sales tech stack with one unified, powerful platform. And when I say everything, I mean everything. We're talking complete CRM with pipeline management, email and SMS marketing automation, landing pages and funnel builder, website builder, appointment scheduling, two-way SMS conversation, reputation management and review generation, workflow automation with AI, reporting and analytics, white-labeled client portals, and that's just scratching the surface. But here's what makes GoHighLevel truly different. This isn't just a collection of different features thrown together. Every single tool is designed to work seamlessly together, sharing data in real time so you can create customer experiences that were impossible before. Now, let's get into 4 game-changing advantages. Let me break down the 4 reasons why GoHighLevel is absolutely crushing it right now, and why thousands of agencies are making the switch. So, the first one, comprehensive all-in-one solution. First up, it's truly an all-in-one solution. I know, every software company claims this, but GoHighLevel actually delivers. When I first started using GoHighLevel, I was able to cancel subscriptions to ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign, Calendly, CallRail, Podio, and about 6 other tools. I'm not exaggerating when I say this saved my business $1,500 a month in recurring costs. But the real savings, that's in time. No more logging into 8 different dashboards, no more worrying about broken integrations. Everything lives in one place with one login, one support team, and one monthly bill. Your leads come in through your GoHighLevel forms. They're automatically added to your GoHighLevel CRM. They get enrolled into your GoHighLevel email sequences. They book appointments through GoHighLevel Calendar, and you manage the entire relationship in the GoHighLevel pipeline. It's beautiful. It's simplistic. And number 2, AI-powered automation. The AI-powered automation is absolutely next level. GoHighLevel has built cutting-edge AI directly into the platform. We're not just talking about basic automation. We're talking about intelligent workflows that can automatically qualify and route leads based on their behavior, personalize outreach and scale using AI, predict the best time to contact each prospect. Number 4, automatically nurture leads until they're ready to buy. Next, handle customer conversations through AI-powered chatbots. I got workflows running in my business right now that are generating qualified leads while I sleep. The automation handles the heavy lifting, and I only step in when a prospect is ready to have a real conversation. This is a kind of efficiency that lets a small team operate like a massive enterprise. All right, number 3, white label customization. Now, this is huge for agencies. GoHighLevel is completely white label. If you're running an agency, you can rebrand the entire platform as your own. Your clients log into your branded platform. They see your logo, your colors, your domain. You're not sending clients to highlevel.com. You're giving them access to whatever your business is.com with a completely branded experience. This is a game changer because you're not just reselling software. You're providing your platform. You control the relationship. You control the pricing. And your clients see you as a technology company, not just a service provider. I know agencies that have built entire SaaS businesses on top of GoHighLevel, charging clients anywhere from $300 to $500 a month just for access to their platform, which is really just white labeled. GoHighLevel costs them $97 a month. The margins are incredible, and your clients get real value because the platform is genuinely powerful. Now, number 4, built for scalability growth. GoHighLevel is designed to scale with you. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur just starting out or managing hundreds of clients' accounts across a growing agency, GoHighLevel has the infrastructure to support your growth. You can manage unlimited contacts, create unlimited funnels, run unlimited campaigns, and your business grows. You're not hitting artificial limits that force you to expensive enterprise tiers, no. Plus, the platform includes sub-account management, which means you can create completely separate environments for each one of your clients. They each get their own CRM, their own automations, their own everything, but you can manage them all from one master account. This is how agencies scale from 5 clients to even 50 to even 500 without losing their minds. That's a lot. Let me give you a real-world example of how this works. Imagine you're running a digital marketing agency for local businesses, let's say dental practices. Here's what you can do with GoHighLevel. You build a landing page that captures leads for a free dental consultation. When someone fills out that form, they're instantly added to your CRM and receive automated SMS thanking them for their interest. So within those 2 minutes, they get an email with a video from the dentist introducing their practice. The system automatically sends them a calendar link so they can book their consultation. And once that's done, they book. They receive appointment reminders, both email and SMS. After their appointment, an automated workflow sends them a review request. If they had a great experience, they're automatically sent to Google, leaving a 5-star review. And let's say if they had any issues, they're directed to a private feedback. So this addresses the problems before they go out publicly. All of this happens automatically. No manual work, no forgotten follow-ups, no leads following through cracks. And the dentist looks like they have a massive, sophisticated marketing operation. In reality, it's one person who sets all of these automations in GoHighLevel, spending maybe 30 minutes a week monitoring everything. That's the power we're talking about here. Now, let's talk about pricing and value, but the real talk is investment, because I know you're all wondering, what does this actually cost? GoHighLevel starts at $97 a month for their starter plan, which gives you most of the core features. And the agency unlimited plan is $297 a month and gives you unlimited sub-accounts, perfect if you're managing multiple clients. Now, compare that to what you're currently spending. If you're paying for CRM, email platform, funnel builder, scheduling tool, and SMS marketing separately, you're easily spending $500 to $1,500 a month. GoHighLevel replaces all of that for just a fraction of the cost. But here's the real value: the time you save and the revenue you can actually generate using this platform. If automating your lead nurture processes help close just even 1 or even 2 extra deals a month, this platform has already paid for itself 10 times over. And if you're an agency, you can charge clients anywhere from $200 to $500 a month just for access to your white label platform, turning GoHighLevel into a profit center for your business, not just an expense. Look, I don't do many dedicated software reviews on this channel, but GoHighLevel is genuinely one of those tools that changes the game. If you're serious about scaling your agency or business, if you're tired of software subscription nightmares, and if you want to operate your business with the efficiency of a company that's 10 times your size, you need to check out GoHighLevel. I put a link in the description below where you can start a 30-day trial and see everything I've talked about firsthand. Take it for a test drive, build some funnels, set some automations, see if it's worth your money, and see if it's going to work for your business. And here's my promise. If you actually use it for those 14 days and explore even half of what it can do, you're going to be blown away. The platform has over 180,000 users and is growing every single day. There's a massive community, incredible support, and constant innovation happening. So that's GoHighLevel, the all-in-one AI-powered platform that's helping agencies and businesses scale smarter, not harder. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and drop a comment below letting me know what feature you're excited to use with GoHighLevel. Now, I'll be diving deeper into specific GoHighLevel features in an upcoming video. So make sure you subscribe and make sure your notifications are on. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one.